In this video, we'd like to go over maintenance on the Tuttnauer T-TOP autoclave. Specifically, we'd like to focus on how to run a T-system clean cycle using their cleaning tablets. We'll provide a step-by-step guide with instructions directly from Tuttnauer. First, remove the trays from the chamber as well as the tray rack. Second, navigate the menu and select the System Clean program icon. Next, locate the entrance to the clean water tank, remove the filter, and place the T-Clean system tablet inside. Then put the filter back on and close the door to the tank. Once you're done, then close the door of the autoclave and press Start. When the cycle is complete, you'll get a confirmation screen that looks like this. Press Confirm to initiate the next steps. To start the next cycle, you'll need to do 3 things. 1. Empty the clean water reservoir. 2. Wipe the inside of the chamber down with a cotton towel. And 3. It's recommended that you wipe down the inside walls of your reservoirs. Once you're done, place an empty tray in and start a new cycle to remove any remaining chemical residue. And after that, your Tuttnauer T-TOP is clean and ready for its next task. If you have any questions on the T-TOP autoclaves, maintenance, or anything else, give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And don't forget to like and subscribe.